the USB, the top pocket. You can throw your mirror in here. This is where the magic happens. Right here, bro. So all you gotta do is pull these out and you got yourself a mobile workstation. Now what's great about this is my next package. Let's get into it. Shout out to BaByliss. Anybody who went to the CT Barber Expo, you guys know about these bad boys right here. Come on. DLC titanium zero gap blade. This blade is already zero gap. Lithium power battery, 7,200 RPMs, 4-hour runtime. The biggest thing for me right here is the runtime and the sharpness of the blade. So these are about to be some hitters. I'm gonna show you guys a video with these. Don't even get me started on the BaByliss FX3s. Woo! Got the thin blade, the lithium power battery. There's 2 different speeds, 6,000 or 7,000 RPMs, 7 different attachments. So it's gonna come with guards, a 5-hour runtime. Between these 2 tools, we got a 4-hour runtime and a 5-hour runtime. And it wouldn't be right without the FX3 shaver. Lithium ion battery, cordless, 10,000 RPMs, gold color, titanium foils, 3-hour runtime. In itself, this thing is gorgeous. New tool alert. New tool alert. I pray for whoever that was, by the way. Man, check this thing out. I gotta take it out for you guys. Gorgeous. This comes with a diffuser attachment. And it also comes with a beard attachment. So if you want to comb out your beard as you're blow drying it out, very important so that you don't remove too much of the hair when you're sculpting it. If a client's coming every week, you want to be able to comb it out first. Wow, it just feels amazing even in your hand. The way this slides on so easily. Today, it has to work well, but it also needs to have a good feel and look. This thing looks like a trophy. That's that already zero gapped blade for you. If you guys look closely at the blade, boom, money shot. It's already zero gapped. Beautiful. Has a great feel to it. Woo, that thing's sharp. Yeah, that thing is very sharp. That thing is very sharp. That's how sharp it is. That is how sharp that blade is. It got me. Yeah, so you got to be very careful with these. Barbers, don't be applying too much pressure on the line. That thing got me. Place it here. Last but most definitely not the least, the BaByliss FX3 clipper. Let's take this bad boy out. Beautiful, beautiful. Notice it has a lever for different speeds as well as different lengths. So the farther I move this up, the farther the cutting blade moves up. And it's almost zero gapped as well. I love how the lever is here as opposed to on the side. And I say that because I'm a left-handed barber. This is incredible. This is so much better for me. Usually the lever is in my way. I'm a lefty, so this is like the best invention possible. Guys, look on the back. 6,000, 7,000. 6,000, 7,000. Look at that blade, boy, that thing moving. My favorite part about this is the look, the feel. And when I say the feel, I am a left-handed barber. Never have I had a clipper that doesn't have a dang lever in my way, messing up the way I hold the clipper, because most barbers with the right hand will be able to lever play, but they took that completely off and put it here in the middle. This is universally a much better design for barbers who are left-handed. Give you guys a nice little close-up of how it fits in my GandBPro bag. So now all I have to do is fold this bad boy in, fold that bad boy in, and I'm gone. Take my blow dryer, not a problem. Watch how easily this fits. This is literally the best bag. So shout out to GandBPro. Shout out to BaByliss. The best combination for the best barber. Let's go. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you with that self-cut coming real soon. I just got my braids, about to get the fade, and I might use the new tools to do it. I'll see you on the other side.